Every snowfall, we deploy resources differently. Because we had a 6 to 12 inch event over the last 24 hours, we're going to pull trucks off of the main roads and put them into subdivisions to take care of that heavy accumulation of snowfall. That's different than what we normally do with a light snowfall. We would make sure that the primary roads were pretty much bare of ice and snow before we went into neighborhoods. In this event, you're certainly going to see the difference on the main road. You're going to see accumulated snow and ice left on the main road, still reasonably safe at a reduced speed, but we need to get those trucks into the residential streets. Crews this evening and overnight will continue with cleanup on the state highway. With the continuing lake effect snow event, crews will continue to apply de-icing chemicals as needed, scrape off accumulated snow, and finish making one pass through residential streets that didn't see service today.